In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link Chase Bank statements to QuickBooks Online. By the end, you'll have your Chase transactions flowing directly into QuickBooks, so you can save time on data entry and keep your books up to date with less effort. Start inside your QuickBooks Online company file and look to the left sidebar. Click on Accounting. This takes you to the area where QuickBooks manages your chart of accounts and your connected banks. From here, open the Bank Transactions tab. This is the hub where all bank feeds live, and it's where new connections are set up and managed. In the top right corner of this screen, click the Link Account button. This opens the Connection window, where you can securely connect your bank to QuickBooks. In the search field, type Chase and select Chase from the results. QuickBooks will route you to a secure connection flow that's designed to keep your financial information protected. Follow the on-screen prompts to authenticate. You'll be asked to verify that you want to connect Chase to QuickBooks, and you may be prompted to complete multi-factor verification for added security. Throughout this process, make sure you recognize the secure Chase sign-in screens and only proceed through the QuickBooks connection window. If you manage multiple Chase accounts, you'll have the option to choose which specific accounts you want to link to QuickBooks, such as checking, savings, or credit card. So only the accounts you need are connected. Once you finish authentication, QuickBooks will establish the link and begin bringing in your recent bank data. You'll be returned to the Bank Transactions tab, where you'll see your Chase feed appear. Transactions will begin to load automatically. This can take a moment, so if you don't see everything right away, give it a minute and refresh the page. Keep in mind that this connection is read only. QuickBooks can't move money or make changes to your Chase account. It simply imports transaction details so you can review and categorize them inside QuickBooks. If you don't see the Link Account button or run into a permission message, make sure you're signed in with a user role that can connect bank accounts. Also, temporarily disable pop-up blockers during the connection if the window doesn't appear. That's all. You've successfully connected Chase to QuickBooks Online, and your bank feed is now set up in the Bank Transactions tab. From here, you can review what comes in and keep your books accurate without manual entry.